Hello friends, my name is Ranjit and today in this video we will learn about decorators in Python. What decorators is all about. Decorators are a very powerful and useful tool in Python, right? And the second point is Python decorators used to extend and modify the behavior of a co-level, like co-level called functions. It may be function, it may be method, it may be class, right? Without permanently modifying the co-level itself. That means we can extend the functionality of a function without permanently modifying the that function. So basically we can extend the functionality, right, of the function and behavior, anything you can, right? And third point, decoration occurs in the line before the function header. Okay, and then at the rate is followed by the decorator function name, right? Then decorator function is a function that accepts a function as parameter and returns a function, right? It accepts a function as a parameter, right, and return a function. So these are some basic points about decorators in Python, right? So let us see. uh, Suppose we see the now normal. We create a normal function num, right? So it return suppose 10, right? If we this is a normal function, we want to return. So if we run this, right? So it will return 10, right? Because it is a normal. So here we are creating function, there we returning, and here we are calling, right? So this is a normal function. Suppose 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 if we want to, if suppose this function, uh, we do not have access to x of this function, right? We do not know where this function is present in our project. We want to modify the output of this function. How we can modify, right? So that means we want to extend the functionality of num, right? So why using decoration, right? So by using decoration, we will not modify your here we will not modify this function, we will not touch this function, but we will modify the output of this functionality of this function. How, right? Suppose we take a function, any name you can use. I am using decor, right? And pass the num. Okay, and again take a inner function, one more function, take add, right? So suppose we want here, at present result is giving the 10, we want the result is 20 by this function, num function. So how will you extend the functionality of this num to 20, right? We want to change the result 10 to 20, right, by using extend the functionality. So now let us see. Suppose a num, right? Let us see. Then add, suppose add a plus, we want 20, right? So we want 20, so now return return add, right? Now one more, return inner, right? So now, so right, now if we run this here, at present what will the result? Now you can see the result is 10, right? At present the result is 10, right? But we want result is 20, right? We want result is 20. So how we can, right? So see, we take a decor, suppose decor 1, right? And decor pass the num, right? So simply pass this num in decor, right, and assign to decor 1 and call this decor 1, right, call this decor 1 function, and now run this. Now run this. Okay, so it is saying uh, missing one, required positional. Okay, so it is, I think, a decor 1, it would be decor 1, right? We will have to call decor 1 actually. So then the result is 20, right? So the result is 20. Now now we successfully extend the functionality of this function 10 to 20, right? So we can now get the 20 as a result, right? What we are doing here, or one more thing, if we want to skip this line, how? Why you writing at the rate symbol decor here. Suppose we write, we comment it here, suppose uh, decor okay is not defined. Suppose we take decor, what will happen? Okay, suppose we write it in here below, decor. Now see, name is not defined, right? And here actually a decor, we will call it here decor function, decor function we will call it in. Now run this, what will happen? Again I think nav decor is not defined, right? So what we can do, uh, we are actually decoring this function actually, right? So we will use here, right, we will use here, we will not use here actually at the rate decor. Now it will give the result 20. Sorry, one missing argument. Okay, this is a decor, this is a deco, one missing. Here we will have to pass the num function, right. Now again it is giving uh, print decor. Okay, so okay, if we pass here num, then what will happen? Right, and print decor. Okay, decor this one here, and dot inner. Okay, we simply pass the decor. Suppose if we pass only decor, the result is function decor, right? And if we pass decor function like this, then one positional argument missing, right? So if we pass num, then that local dot inner. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, return. Suppose we take decor1 and this is decor1. Now we let take decor. Okay, it is giving dot inner decor dot locals dot inner at we are print this result, print decor print. We can simply call num. I think we can call simply num. Now I think it will give the result 20. Yes, right. So now it is giving the, it will give the result simply 20 in this case. So what we are actually doing here, we already have a function. Suppose we do not want to use this, right? So in that case, what you will have to do, what we will have to do, simply you will have to use this create decor1 and call this function decor1, right? Now run this. See, result is 20, right? If you do not want to use, if you do not want to use like this, then you can use like is this way. This way you can use. Okay, this way. Suppose this, right? Now run this. You can get the same result 20, right? So it will not create any problem, right? If you use above here, right? If you use here, it will not create problem. Okay, decor. Yes, it is creating some problem here. It asking for package, right? Okay, so we will have to use here only. Okay, so now what actually decor function do, we are actually extend we want to extend the functionality of this function num by using this decor function, right? We have passed this function num here in the decor function num, and we take one or inner function and we assign this num to a and a plus 10 and the sign to add and return add and return inner, right? Printing num, right? Suppose we can also like this, we can write like this, uh, like this. We can also write this. We will again get the result 20, right? Or one more thing, we can also write this. Suppose copy and suppose commented, or we suppose simply write here. Now run this. Again you will get the result 20, right? So you can written like this also, right? Now it is very simple, right? So now we extend this functionality of num to 10 to 20. Now we can get the result 20. So we did not modify this function num, but we extend this functionality by using this decor function. This is your decoration function. This is your decoration function here. So we extend this functionality of this function by using decoration like this, right? So this is a decoration function is all about. Decoration function basically extend the functionality of existing function class methods, right, without modifying their existing functionality. So please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, share with your friends, and like and comment, and thank you very much. Thank you.